In this video, you will learn how to resolve documents in the draft transactions report in TallyPrime. When you import transaction documents using Docs by Era or send them through the Tally Era app, some documents may show exceptions. These exceptions can happen due to issues like missing masters and potential duplicates of vouchers that are already created in TallyPrime. You can easily identify and fix these in the draft transactions report. Press Alt-O and select Draft Transactions. Some transactions will be ready to convert. Under Action Required, you'll see transactions with exceptions. With the red indicators and the remark, you get to know the nature of the exception. You can now fix them one by one. Let's see what to do when the masters are missing. As you can see, this particular transaction has missing masters. Open the transaction. Instead of creating the master manually, press Enter on Create New. The master gets autofilled using the values extracted from the document. If you want to create all the missing masters at once, press Ctrl-A to save the voucher. The voucher gets created along with the masters. Now, you might have the same masters with a different name. Open the voucher. With the Smart Search feature, the nearest match of the master value available in TallyPrime is shown here. Let's select the master. The extracted value and the master available in TallyPrime are mapped. Press Ctrl-A to save the voucher. TallyPrime saves the mapping. Next time, when you import transaction documents with the same mapped masters, TallyPrime will automatically map your masters. Therefore, there will be no master-related exceptions in the transactions. Now, let's see how you can map masters right from the report without even opening the transactions individually. Let's select the transactions under Action Required. Press F8 to update the mapping. You can see the extracted values of masters with exceptions. You can map these master values to the relevant masters available in TallyPrime. Once mapped, press Ctrl-A to save. The voucher is ready to convert. You might have imported a transaction document again, even though its voucher is already created in TallyPrime. In the Draft Transactions report, press Alt-S to identify potential duplicates. Here, the duplicate vouchers appear with the corresponding remarks. Select all the vouchers and press Alt-D to delete. Return to the Draft Transactions report. You can now save the vouchers that are ready to convert. Select all the transactions. Press F10 and in a matter of seconds, all the vouchers get saved in your books. Now, open Daybook. You can see all the vouchers here. Now, let's see how you can view the saved mappings and add more mappings if needed. Press Alt-O, go to Manage, and select Master Mapping. From the list of categories, select the master type. Say, Party Ledger. By default, you see the list of mapped party ledgers. To see more ledgers, press Enter on Show More. Now, select the ledger for which you want to view the mappings. You can see extracted values mapped to the master. Similarly, you can view the mappings for other masters. As you saw, Docs by Era does much more than create vouchers. It helps you fix exceptions, create or map masters, and avoid duplication of vouchers. With Docs by Era in TallyPrime, voucher creation becomes faster, smarter, and hassle-free. Thank you.